Hello everyone. In this video, I am describing about what is manual testing and what is automation testing that are mostly used in the software testing field. So we will understand in this video. So let's start the video.
Manual testing, as the name suggests, that manual testing means that the testing which is done under the human intervention is known as the manual testing. Manual testing is a type of testing in which the application or the application which is being developed by the developer is tested manually. Means that its test cases is designed and executed manually by the particular persons without using any automation tools like Selenium and other web drivers. So the purpose of this testing is to find out the quality of the particular applications and to find out the defects or bugs that can be occur at the time of running the applications, or it also useful to find out the issues in the applications so that it can be rectified as soon as it possible. Manual testing is required to find out the critical bugs in the applications. Any applications which are being developed by the developer should be tested before it being deployed or it being delivered to the client. So one of the software testing principle is that 100% automation is not possible, so that the manual testing is it makes the manual testing more imperative. Means that first of all we have to done the manual testing before going through the automations, because the manual tester know the end-to-end life cycle of the particular applications. Means that how the particular module of the applications works is the manual tester can understand it, because a human performs it the client at the time the tester who tests the particular application works as the end user at the time of testing. So the human intervention is required first of all to test that the particular application is user friendly or not. Manual testing requires more efforts, and it also requires the skilled labor, and it takes long time, and the investment is also required high in the manual testing. Goal of manual testing. The main goal of this testing is to test the applications which is bug free and running as per functional requirement. The function requirement which is presented by the end user or the client should the particular application should perform as per the requirements which are given by the particular client, so that the tester is responsible to find out the bug. If any bug is found out in the application, the tester should report to the developer to rectify this issue as soon as is possible, because because after developing the application the tester gets a less amount of time to test the application. If any bugs or error present in the application, it should be rectified as soon as it possible, because the deployment time or the production time is very less at the time of testing phase. The test suite or test cases are designed during testing phase should have 100% test coverage. Means that if any application which consists of the sign up module, means its test cases should be 100% coverage. Like that, first of all, what should we have to fill in the sign up, and after sign up, if a particular person forgot his password, then how can he make a new password, so that the tester should think as per the end user, not as the developer. Means the tester which is manual or automation should understand that the particular application should works as per the particular client's requirement. This testing should make sure about the bug fixed by the developer, which is reported by the QA team, should be retested by using retesting. Means that if any bug or issue which is found find out at the time of testing phase, and the quality assurance team should be retested. It means that if any if any modules get failed, means that any test case get failed, and the developer the QA team report it to the developer, and the developer give the assurance that the particular modules get fixed or the bug get fixed by them. So the retesting is performed. Retesting is nothing but find out that the test find out that the particular modules is redeveloped and it should perform as per the client's requirement or not. It should checks the quality of system before and delivers a bug-free product to end users. Means that the main goal of any testing which is manual or automation is that the system should perform as per the client requirements, and it should be bug free as per the end users requirement. The diagrammatic representation of phases of manual testing means that how the manual testing is being started. First of all, the QA team gather the requirements after the development of the particular application. Means that first of all they understand the different modules that are present in the applications. After understanding the end-to-end application, they are preparing the test plan creations. Means that how the testing should started, means that there should be the test software testing life cycle module gets started. They prepare a plan to create the test cases. After planning the test creation, they design the test cases, and this testing is done in the form of Excel. They are made the particular columns like defect ID if any bug is present, or the requirement ID, and also they enter the test case ID, or whom should this particular module is assigned to, and on which date it is assigned, its priority. All these aspects are designed in the Excel sheet. After the designing of the particular test cases, they are implement and execute the particular modules test cases, and after executing it, if they are find out that any particular module gets failed at the time of executions, they are report to the particular developer team to uh, fix that particular bug. Or if the particular application works as per the client's requirement, then the testing exit criteria gets come, and after the exit criteria, the particular application is going to the deployment or the production, and the testing phase of manual tester gets closed all the activities by the QA team. Types of manual testing. Basically, any type of software testing can be executed both manually as well as with automation tool, but some of them are listed as follows. Unit testing. Unit testing is basically done by the developer team at the time of developing the applications. They are testing the each module at the time of developing the applications. So they are using the before class, after class. By using the JUnit, they understand if the particular application is made on the Java, they use the JUnit to test the particular application. They also the manual tester also use the acceptance testing. Means that they think about the end user, that the application is user friendly or not, they are interact with the applications or not. If any link does not work, they report to the developer team that the link is not coming by clicking on that particular checkbox. And after that there is a system testing. Means that the particular application get installed on this system, but it is not installed on the other system. Means that the portability of the application should also be tested. Integration testing is also done. Integration testing is the combination or the making of test suites of different modules and test the applications that the particular application is works as per the client's requirement or not. Black box testing is nothing but there is no implementation details is known by the tester. They only knows the functionality of the particular application, that how the particular application is works. White box testing is the testing in which the tester knows the particular code of the applications, and they also debug the code and to find out the errors or bug in the particular applications.
Automation testing. As the automation testing is the testing in which the test script, once it is being tested or manually, it's a test script which is feasible to automate. It is being automated by using the automation tool. In automation testing, the less investment is requirement, or its cost is also less. The automation tester once understand that the functionality of this application should like that, so that it can automate the test script. And in the automation testing, once the test script is being automated, its expected and actual result is being compared, and if any bug or error is coming, then its a detailed test report is being given to the particular developer who developed the application. And after fixing them, they also retested it After the software test automation demand considerable investment of money and resources, as the automation has less cost, so it is more feasible once the particular application is manually being tested, because manual tester works as the end user, who in the automation there is less human intervention once the test script is being automated, while in manual testing there is a particular more human intervention at the time of testing the application. So the manual tester works as the end user or thinks as per the client's requirement. Using automation testing tool, it is possible to record number of test cases and execute it repeatedly. If the particular application requires to test the particular module at multiple times, so that once its test script being automated, it can be executed repeatedly. The main goal of automation testing is to reduce number of test cases to be tested manually, but not to eliminate the manual testing altogether. Means that the main goal of automation testing is to uh, reduce number of test cases to run manually. Once the automation tester understand that these test cases are required to execute it multiple times, so that their test script should be executed or converted into the automation, so that there is less human intervention is required, or it can generate their detailed report as soon as it possible for to them. So the automation testing is required at that time. Why automation testing is being required? Basically the test automation is the cost effectiveness, and it also increase the effectiveness of the testing, and in this the test coverage and execution speed is more. It is required due to the following reasons: that it increases the speed of test executions, means that if any modules require the execution or the detailed report of the particular test cases which are executed repeatedly, then the automation tools or automation testing is being considerable at that time. It does not require any human intervention, so that we can run the test cases overnight as per the requirement. Manual testing of all workflows, all fields, all negative scenarios is time and money consuming, so the automation testing is feasible at that time also. Diagrammatic representation of using the automation testing means that the how the automation testing is being started. First of all, the automation tester take the decision to automate which test script. After taking the decision, the test automation tools acquisition is taken by the particular automation tester. After acquiring the particular automation tool, they are think about the testing scripts, like to introduce the other teammates about this testing script is to being automated, means that there are multiple test scripts, so that they are divided the particular test script into a multiple scenarios, and they are then preparing the planning design, and then after designing and planning of the particular test script, they are executed with the help of the automation tool. And after successfully executed the particular test scripts, if they are found any bugs or errors or any test cases is being failed at the time of execution, then it is being reported to the particular developer team to fix it. And after the particular modules get fixed, they again retest it and generate the detailed report, and it is being delivered to the client as soon as it being possible, or it becomes the bug free product, then it is being delivered to the client. Types of automation testing, as we all understand that both manually and automation testing can be done of any testing, like integration or smoke testing, unit testing. But there are some of them like smoke testing, unit testing. Functional testing means the functionality of particular application is being tested. Keyword testing, regression testing means that any new update is coming, then at the time of this regression testing is being done. Data driven testing, black box testing, and integration testing is being done at the time of automation testing. Tools for automation testing: Basically, these are the some tools which are being used by the automation tester to automate the particular script, like Selenium WebDriver, Cucumber BDD, SOAP UI, Appium, Catalan Studio, Test Trigger, etc. are the automation tools which are being used by the automation tester to automate the particular test script once it is being tested by the manual tester. Benefits of automation testing: it is being 70% faster than the manual testing, reliable in result. In this, the wider test coverage of application features. It is time consuming as well as cost consuming. Improves it basically saves the time as well as the cost. Means that at manual testing there is there is more time and cost, but at the automation, once the test script being automated, there is less time is being required. Improves accuracy, increases efficiencies, better speed in executing tests, reusable test script, early time to market. Once that automation testing is being done, the delivery of the particular application is being fast, or the product at the time of production the testing can also be done. Thank you very much all. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and comment on the video, and keep learning, keep watching, and also please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment. Thank you very much.